Hello people, welcome to Eagle Leather Trading Co. I'm Michael Eagle. Today we're going to that next level I keep promising and talking about, the 4D leather. Let's go there.
Get you some of that.
Okay, let's do the circle around the maker's mark just to give it some more depth. I may find a way to flip that up a little. Let's just do the outline of the eagle. Maker's mark eagle. It's real feathery right there. Got his little crown, which I've done on that other eagle head a number of times. We're going to do that one next from the Plateau Creative. Oh, leave it right there. I like that. Instead of going all the way, I don't know why, I just felt like I'm digging that. Cool. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay. Let's mess it up. You need to get under there. Get under. Oi. Okay, let's put this back. Because it tried to cave in. Give a little support. I may leave those in there. I was thinking about doing the larger version and then put some foam behind it. All right, let's tuck up under those feathers, fingers, and just slice underneath there. Try to stay with the line, the existing line. Flip that up. Okay. 4D right there, baby. 1D, the art. Oh, I should tool it first. 2D, and then 3D. Should I tool it first? Around it, the edge bevel around the outside. Let's try it. Okay, where is that? Here it is, edge bevel. Uh-oh. Come on now, it's a brand new Exacto X Dosh CATO. Looking kind of rough, but it's coming up there. Not for everyone. Get up under that feather. There we go. Jab it in there and pull it out. Right there. Okay, feather sticking up. Look at that. Can you dig it? I can. Got that one up a little more. Now these should be cute and dangerous. We're just going to roll around these and just get a little bit on the tips there. Look, they came right up. Do the same thing right here, only up on. Slice it in. Let's fillet those. Oh, we got a big chunk. It's almost like skiving. They're not separated. Oh, a little bit, yeah. So we can go in from this way on the line that I've already cut. Separate those. Ta-da! Now let's just do a little arch cut right here on this second row. Let's just kind of roll the blade around there, right at the tip of all those. There they go. Not these, those are too little. Let's do the tail, shake a tail feather. Okay, Ted Nugent, watch your fingers. Roll that one. The roll seems to be a pretty good technique. See that? They came up. Look at that. Yay! 3D bird. 3D feathers. Now we have to be tricky with the die. That's going to be the 5th dimension. Check 4.
Wake up. Time to die. Yay, time to play with the mahogany. Wish I was better at the block guy. Oh, that's dark. Look at that. Oh, watch it now. I'm going with the t-shirt method or t-shirt. So that we can apply it lightly and then different depths of color. And I'll use this piece to kind of wipe some off if it gets on there a little heavy. And let's go with a test piece on the magazine mounting plate. Man, I think I want to dilute this. Dip that in there. This is my last pair of gloves until I get to Walmart. Pick up that order today. Okay, let's grab it with that and get some unsightly marks on it. Let's go around the outside. Well, it's just solid color at that point. Looking kind of like that whiskey, or oh look, the stitch groove's not going in the stitch grooves. I was wondering if I could duplicate the Crazy Horse leather, the dyed leather they have at Tandy that's kind of soft. It is a veg tan, and it comes in different colors, so I'm guessing they dye it. Now see, that's not like a full or solid, looks like a light coat. Alright, now that some of the dye is off of the t-shirt, let's see how it works on this. Oh, it's still dark. Look how the eagle stayed light in the middle. Kind of digging that. Looks like tree bark, which is what they use to dye this with, right? Vegetable tan leather with tree bark, urine, and brain. Yeah, so wash your hands every time you get... Oh, look at that. See the different layers of darkness as it starts to dry on the t-shirt a little bit. Really just a dark brown, huh? Do you like it when you can see the grain? And the natural textures in the leather? Man, I'm digging that. When it's not getting in the eagle. It's almost the block, like a block dye technique, where it doesn't go in the recessed areas. Ooh. Kinda digging it. With that in mind, and while our t-shirt's kind of dry here, let's go ahead and play with the holster a little bit. It seems like I've seen a few pieces where they use this mahogany and black together. That's kind of showing the texture of the t-shirt. That's kind of a ribbed texture. It's the cuff off of a long john shirt. Thermal underwear. I don't know, I'm kind of liking that. That's why I didn't start with a dauber, just to play with this color. Alright, let's get a little more pressure. Oh, look on the edge. Now it's starting to, oh, darken up. When we can put a little pressure on it instead of just floating. Oh yeah, man. Am I easily amused? I get excited over the slightest thing. All right, let's see. Here we go. On the bud. Let's go with the grain of the feathers. Well, is this going to be more of a dyeing technique video? Man, this is, I think, the fourth dimension here. Oh, yeah, there he is. This is a golden eagle instead of the bald eagle. He's all brown. Cool. Oh, now it's getting rich. Yeah, it's like the darkest brown. Man, that's nice. I like that it's not getting down into the stitch groove. That's the difference between a dauber and a t-shirt. So that's one of the reasons I let some of the dye get off of it before I actually went for the holster.